Go.
My name is Mark Stewart. I am a math and physics instructor, and I'm addressing a problem involving prisoners of war that are trapped behind an enemy border, behind a 50-meter wall, and they're trying to get a message to their patriots, and all the information that I have is that they have 2-liter bottles of Coke and an air compressor to fill tires. So the proposal is, how would they be able to get a message over the wall? So if we have a 50-meter tall wall, which is approximately a little over than 150 feet, it looks like this is related to maybe a Newton's law problem. Of course, they would have to have enough acceleration to get the message over the wall. If they didn't have paper, they could probably inscribe a message on the 2-liter bottle. My proposal would be to have the 2-liter bottle, maybe leave a little bit of the Coke in, which is carbonated. If they have the air compressor, they would be able to generate pressure to launch a projectile. It doesn't seem like they would be able to do any practice runs because that might get noticed, but optimum angle for a projectile in terms of a horizontal component would be 45 degrees. So this would depend primarily on how close they could get to the wall and how they could launch this projectile. So if they were able to do this, the 45-degree angle would be an optimum case in a vacuum. They also would have to consider wind resistance, weather components such as rain and humidity. So given the materials that they have, if they were to leave some of the liquid in the bottle, use the air compressor to generate enough pressure to get it over the wall, and either inscribe a message on the bottle or somehow put a message inside the bottle that would be, say, liquid proof. I think that would be probably the only chance they have. Being that the wall is only 50 meters, I think that they would be able to generate enough pressure from an air compressor that is used to fill automobile tires. So that is my proposal.